September uplifts the drone industry with GST reforms, cutting-edge tech deployments, and expanding opportunities for innovation and manufacturing. Welcome back to our channel, viewers. I'm Paulami, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 news from the month of September. The GST Council has rationalized taxes on drones, placing all commercial drones, military drones, flight simulators, high-performance batteries, and communication devices such as software-defined radios under a 5% slab, finalized at the Council's 56th meeting on 3rd and 4th of September 2025. The decision has come into effect since 22nd of September 2025. This month, 2 drones received DGQA type certifications. Arjuna drone from PRYM Aerospace and Sigma 25G from Indrones. Bengaluru-based New Space Research and Technologies, specializing in aerial autonomy and defense drones, has raised 115 crore via a debt financing round, strengthening its financial position for growth and technological advancement in the defense sector. The Indian Armed Forces are set to enhance their unmanned aerial capabilities with the induction of additional Israeli-made Heron drones, which proved highly effective during Operation Sindoor earlier this year. Matrix Geosolutions Limited, established in 2008 and recently converted into a public limited company, launched its IPO from September 23rd to 25th, 2025. The capital raised will support expansion plans, including acquisition of new drones, upgrades to survey and remote sensing equipment, fulfillment of capital and working capital needs, and other general corporate purposes. Nalva Aero has received design organization approval from the DGCA for the 5-seater and above eVTOL air taxi category, marking a key milestone in India's emerging urban air mobility sector. Punjab government has deployed drones to deliver rations, medicines, water, food supplies and torches to flood-hit areas in Amritsar, Gurdaspur and Pathankot, reaching stranded families after 2 to 3 days. Even heavy load drones were also used to airlift ration and cooking oil to Kathua's Chilla village in Jammu and Kashmir, while Garuda Aerospace and Marut drones worked with the Indian Army in providing relief and aerial surveys in rain and landslide affected Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh since 26th of August 2025. Arya Forge's tactical UAVs continue to make global and strategic strides. Its Q6 V2 UAV has been officially assigned a NATO stock number, enabling NATO and allied forces to procure it through standardized defense supply channels, reinforcing India's UAV manufacturing credibility. Meanwhile, Arya Forge's Zolt UAV has been upgraded with CS numeric smart guided munitions, enhancing its precision strike capabilities. The National Test House, India's apex body for testing, certification and quality assurance, celebrated its 114th Foundation Day by unveiling advanced AI-driven testing facilities, a specialized drone testing unit, and state-of-the-art smart materials laboratories, further strengthening its role in promoting innovation and quality standards. Scientists from ICAR and IIVR demonstrated drone-based spraying of zinc, pesticides and nutrients in Panayara village, Varanasi on 8th of September 2025. Bharat Forge has partnered with the UK's Wind Racers Limited to deploy the Advanced Cargo UAV Ultra in India, formalized through a 2-year MOU signed at DSEI UK 2025. This collaboration will focus on localization, joint trials, and outlining a wider deployment plan. The Indian Army has inducted the Mahindra Armado Armored Light Specialist Vehicle, enhancing battlefield mobility and survivability with its high-speed, all-terrain design. The upgraded ALSV is equipped with integrated drone mounts and advanced anti-drone systems, transforming it into a multi-dimensional warfare platform. The National Highway Authority of India has introduced a new strategy in Maharashtra by deploying high-frequency drones integrated with real-time AI analytics to monitor highways. This advanced system aims to swiftly detect and eliminate encroachments, ensuring smoother traffic flow, enhanced road safety, and more efficient highway management. Dronacharya Aerial Innovations Limited has signed an MOU with Thailand's RV Connect Co Limited to jointly develop a fully indigenous drone ecosystem. The partnership specifically focuses on ensuring a 100% non-Chinese supply chain, marking a strategic step towards self-reliance and secure drone technologies. The Director General of Quality Assurance is set to establish a Center of Excellence for Drones in Hyderabad, focused on strengthening indigenous capabilities and advancing military drone development. The initiative aims to boost self-reliance while positioning Hyderabad as a key hub for cutting-edge defense for drone technologies. The Indian Coast Guard and Navy are enhancing their operational capabilities with the induction of advanced underwater drones aimed at strengthening surveillance and reconnaissance in complex subsurface environments where conventional methods face limitations. The Border Security Force has revamped its training program to make drone warfare a mandatory subject for all troops and officers. Following insights from Operation Sindoor, it has also commissioned an innovation center focused on developing indigenous technologies for modern warfare. Uber Technologies has announced its first investment in a drone delivery company, Flytrex, marking a major step in autonomous logistics. Under this strategic partnership, Uber Eats will pilot food and essentials delivery using Flytrex BVLOS certified drones, with operations set to begin before the end of 2025. Aero Group Holdings has signed a non-binding letter of intent with Ukraine-based Nord Drone LLC to establish a joint venture aimed at deploying battlefield-proven drone technologies at scale, strengthening their collaboration in advanced unmanned systems for defense applications. The Indian Army has deployed 3 Netra drones in Jammu and Kashmir's dense forests to strengthen counter-insurgency operations. Equipped with ground-penetrating radar, electro-optical and infrared sensors, the drones can detect underground bunkers and track human movement round the clock, providing a major boost to surveillance and operational effectiveness. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such updates about drones from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.